In this video lecture, we will be investigating how to factor quadratics. This is the second of two video lectures on factoring quadratics, in which we consider the case when the leading coefficient is not 1. We will continue to use the same visual tool to assist us in factoring the quadratic. There is a subtle difference in that the top is no longer just the last term, but is actually the product of the first term and the last term. In this case, 4 times 45 equals 180. 180 has many factors. If you listed them all out, you would eventually find 10 and 18, which add up to 28. Of course, our goal is negative 28, so we will switch both signs, since negative 10 times negative 18 also multiplies to positive 180. As before, we rewrite the original quadratic, replacing the middle term with those two numbers. We break this into two separate parts, where we will factor the first part and the second part separately. In this particular case, 4x squared minus 10x has a common factor of 2x, whereas negative 18x plus 45 has a common factor of negative 9. Observe that 2x minus 5 appears twice in the same expression. This allows us to factor 2x minus 5 out of the whole expression. Thus, we can conclude that 4x squared minus 28x plus 45 is equal to 2x minus 5 times 2x minus 9. It is important that you take the time and verify by FOILing out the right-hand side of this equation that we have successfully factored the polynomial.